A powerful statement from Washington, a calm but really firm answer from New Delhi. And behind the scenes, a massive global energy chess match that is unfolding. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Atri. And no, it's not about oil shipments. It's about influence, it's about independence, and this is about who really decides India's future. So, Donald Trump has made a bold statement yet again. Can you picture the moment for a second? A new trade understanding between the United States and India is being celebrated right now. Leaders are talking about stronger economic ties, bigger opportunity, deeper cooperation, and then all of a sudden comes a headline grabbing claim. Mr. Trump suggests that India could stop buying Russian oil and instead shift towards American and Venezuelan crude supplies. Well, that particular statement, it spreads really fast. Markets kind of noticed, diplomatic circles began whispering, is India changing the side? Then India broke the silence. New Delhi stepped in, but not with drama, with very calm confidence. India's message, it was simple, it was direct, and it was really, really powerful. India will decide its energy policy based on only of its own national interest. Well, officials stressed one key idea repeatedly again and again. Energy security for India is above everything else because behind every oil shipment lies something bigger. Transport, industries, electricity, daily life for millions. India made it absolutely clear that no foreign country can decide how India fuel its economy. Then comes the Russian oil. Now, that's the most sensitive part of the story. Did India actually promise to stop buying Russian oil? Well, the answer? It's far more complicated than it seems. India carefully avoided making any such commitment though. Instead, the leaders explained that India buys oil from many countries, not just one, and that strategy will continue. In fact, Russia also acted very calmly. Moscow signaled that India remains free to buy oil from whosoever it chooses to and described their energy partnership as stable. Which by the way means nothing dramatic has officially changed, at least not yet. And then comes the Venezuelan angle that adds another twist here. India described Venezuela as a long-term partner in the energy sector, but that's a complicated reality. Sanctions and global restrictions have made Venezuelan oil harder to purchase in recent years. Still, India hinted that if business conditions improve further, well, if prices are right, if logistics work, India is open to exploring the Venezuelan supplies again. And that's not a political promise, that's a business calculation for India. India's real game plan is this. India is one of the world's biggest oil buyers. That means energy decisions are not about diplomacy alone here. They are about survival, they are about stability. India's strategy looks somewhat like this. Keep multiple suppliers, avoid over-dependency on any one country, buy oil wherever it is affordable, protect domestic fuel prices and safeguard the economic growth. This particular approach, it is less about choosing the allies here and more about protecting the national interest. So in the end, the trade deal pressure, it is right there on India. Trump linked energy supply expectations to a broader trade relationship with India. But that's what makes this story dramatic. India confirmed trade cooperation without promising any oil policy shift. Now that silence from New Delhi is being carefully studied by the global observers because sometimes what is not said speaks louder than the headlines.